Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine and doing well. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. Dear friends, today I am going to share with you very beautiful, very amazing, very stylish and very attractive wooden objects ideas. There are most stylish, most attractive and most beautiful wooden working ideas available here for you in this video. I hope you will like and you will enjoy this video. There are very fantastic designs, there are very awesome designs, there are very stylish designs of wooden working ideas. Dear friends, first of all, I suggest you to kindly watch this video till end and keep spotting and keep watching my channel. And also press bell icon because after pressing the bell icon, you may get new notification of my all new videos. There are most stylish, most amazing, most fantastic and most heart-touching designs ideas of woodworking. There are very beautiful, very amazing, very attractive and very stylish wooden objects ideas. You can decor your walls with these beautiful, amazing and most fantastic wooden styles. There are very stylish, there are very amazing, there are very fabulous designs. I hope you will like and you will enjoy this video. There are very amazing designs, there are very attractive designs, there are very beautiful designs ideas. You can decor your houses with these beautiful, amazing and most stylish wooden objects. You can decor your walls easily. All these objects are very stylish and very amazing and looking very nice and very beautiful. You can buy these amazing, wonderful, stylish and most attractive wooden objects online from different websites. Like you can buy these amazing, wonderful, stylish and most attractive wooden objects online from different websites. You can get these beautiful wooden objects online from Etsy.com, eBay.com, AliExpress, Amazon. As we know that all these websites are very famous and you can buy these amazing, wonderful, stylish and most attractive wooden objects from here. You can buy these beautiful, these amazing, wonderful, stylish and most attractive wooden objects easily. Their prices are very reasonable, very affordable. You can buy these beautiful objects easily. I hope you will like and you will enjoy this video. Dear friends, at the end I again request you to don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch more and more fantastic videos of stylish, beautiful wooden ideas. I again request you to kindly subscribe my channel and watch more and more fantastic videos. There are very beautiful and very amazing ideas. There are very stylish ideas. You can get new and new ideas about new collection of wooden projects. There are very beautiful wooden working ideas. So friends, take care. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching my video. Allah